Hello everyone, welcome to Dwell of Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about a disease which is caused by most dangerous insect, that is mosquito. I think everyone is familiar with Alexander the Great. He just got defeated by a tiny Indian mosquito. Moreover, in this season the most common disease is malaria, which is caused by a protozoan called Plasmodium, in which Plasmodium vivax is mostly found. Plasmodium belongs to phylum Protozoa, subphylum Epicomplexa, class Telosporia, order Hemospororida, family Plasmodidae, genus Plasmodium, species vivax. Plasmodium is digenetic. Digenetic means two organisms or hosts belong to two genera are required for completion of parasite life cycle. That means for this Plasmodium, two hosts are required to complete its whole life cycle. That means Plasmodium is always found in only these two hosts. Next, it is intracellular parasite in liver cells and RBC of man. That means it is located inside the cells of liver cells and RBC of a human being. Liver cells are also known as hepatocytes. It is extracellular in mosquito. That means it is located outside of the cells in mosquito. Its primary host is female anopheles mosquito. As I have discussed above, digenetic means two genera of hosts are required. So its primary host is female anopheles mosquito. Now, this female anopheles mosquito is helpful in sexual phase of mosquito. In female anopheles mosquito, Plasmodium's habitat is crop, that is its digestive system, and the secondary host of man. The secondary host of Plasmodium is man. Man is suitable for asexual phase in Plasmodium. Its habitat is RBC or hepatocyte. Infective stage in man is sickle-shaped sporozite. That means the Plasmodium in human beings enter as sickle-shaped sporozite. So that is the starting point of infection mode in our human beings. Mode of infection is inoculation. Inoculation means mosquito biting. So we get malaria or Plasmodium vivax in our body because of the mosquito bite. There are 4 species of Plasmodium which causes 4 types of malaria in human being. First one is Plasmodium vivax. It causes benign tertian malaria. Second is Plasmodium falciparum. That causes malignant tertian malaria. This is one of the most dangerous Plasmodium because it hurts cerebrum. Next is Plasmodium ovale. This causes mild tertian malaria. Fourth is Plasmodium malariae, which causes quartan malaria. Now, tertian means hemozoin is released for every 3 days in blood. So tertian refers to 3 days. That is, hemozoin is the main cause for malaria in a human being. So it is released for every 3 days in human being. Now, quartan means the hemozoin is released for every 4 days in that human being. What is benign? Benign means that the affected cells affect at only one place, whereas in malignant it spreads all over the body. So that is why I told Plasmodium falciparum is most dangerous. And today we are going to study about the whole life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. The Plasmodium vivax is the most common and most widely distributed malaria parasite. Now, contribution of scientists in Plasmodium life cycle. Charles Laverin, he is the first person to identify Plasmodium in blood of malarian patient. Second is Sir Patrick Manson. He suggested malaria might be spread by female anopheles mosquito, and his hypothesis came to be true. Third is Sir Ronald Ross. He identified the oocysts on the wall of crop of female anopheles. Fourth is Short and Garnham. They explained hepatic schizogony. As I have told, hepatic means liver. So hepatic refers to liver. So Short and Garnham explained the life cycle of Plasmodium in liver cells. Then G.B. Grassi explained life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in female anopheles mosquito. Camilo Golgi explained erythrocytic cycle. Hence, the cycle in RBC is also known as Golgi cycle. And Bano explained about nature of divisions during sporozite formation. Sporozite formation is also known as sporogony. You are going to know about this all detailedly in upcoming videos. The term now let's know about the history of malaria. So the term malaria is taken from Italian language. Mala means bad and area means air. So they used to thought that malaria used to spread with foul air or bad air, so they named it as malaria. Sir Ronald Ross identified the oocysts of Plasmodium in female anopheles on 20th of August. He identified the female anopheles in crop of the female anopheles on 20th of August. And it is interesting to know that Sir Ronald Ross worked in AP Secunderabad. On this work, he was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1902. On 20th August every year we celebrate it as World Mosquito Day, and on 25th April it is observed as World Malaria Day. World Malaria Day was recognized or initiated by WHO from 2007. Thank you, and watch more videos on Plasmodium vivax and subscribe our channel.